Today, I would like to talk to you about a crucial topic that concerns us all: forest conservation. Forests are one of the most valuable resources we have on this planet. They are home to countless species of plants and animals, provides us with clean air and water, and play a critical role in regulating our climate. However, the rate at which we are losing our forests is alarming. Deforestation is occurring at an unprecedented rate due to human activities such as logging, mining, and agriculture. This destruction of forests not only causes severe harm to the environment but also has serious implications for human survival. It is essential that we take concerted steps to protect and conserve our forests. This can be done by promoting sustainable practices such as reforestation, reducing waste and consumption, and supporting sustainable agricultural practices. As individuals, we can play our part by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable businesses, and advocating for forest conservation policies. Governments can also take necessary measures to protect forests by creating protected areas, enforcing laws, and promoting sustainable development. We must act now to protect our forest for future generations. Together, we can ensure that our forests continue to thrive and provide us with the resources we need to survive.